Hi there and welcome back. I'm just here to do a kit flip through. So this is one of the autumn fall kits, and it is called, what is it called? Dark Botanicals. So I did lots of freebies for this one. So all the freebies can be found on Patreon. So these are just, you know, in the feed kind of thing. So you can pick those up from there. So I'll just go through those. I think I must have really enjoyed creating this kit because, yeah, when I obviously counted up how many pages I'd done, I'd got, you know, stacks of it. I probably could have done 2 kits. And that one. So they are freebies that can be found on Patreon. So again, it's a 35-page kit. If you buy it from on the Patreon shop, you will get a 40-page kit. So this is the pages that you get on Patreon if you buy it in the shop there. That's one. Okay, so that's those, and then this is the 35 pages that you get, you know, on Etsy. So these are the journal pages. Let me just move my latte to one side. So yeah, these are the journal pages. So we've got the image on one side and then your writing piece on the other side with this lovely lace strip down. I've not cut the edges off or printed the back of them. Some like ledger on one side, and then we've got ledger on the other side. That one's got lines, and you know, that one's plain. This is in Etsy now. It's been in a couple of weeks, and it's been in Patreon a good month or so. So they're your pages. These can also be used as pages. They can also be used, you know, to rip up in collage, make your ephemera and your embellishments with. And, you know, you could definitely use them that way if you was doing a tall journal, or if you was doing, you know, a folio type a thing. So I think there's 4 of these because I really like them. Okay, we've got some patterned ones. Again, you know, can be used either way. Love that. Same with these. You can use these either way. And some music paper. Some script with this leaf pattern over it. So that's all the papers. And this is the ephemera. So we've got some little folios. They're not called folios. What are they called? File folders. Little tiny file folders, which you can, you know, have them as pockets. I like often, you know, sticking part of it down and having them as a flippy element in your journals. We've got a page of labels. We've got some tickets and other pieces of ephemera. Some lovely pockets with some of them have got the nice lace on, and a couple of labels. Nice tall pocket, great for you know, a folio and a larger journal. I mean, obviously it will fit fit in a regular journal as well. Pockets, corner ones. We've got some tickets, and they can be, you know, tickets or labels. This is a pocket, and these fit inside. You could cut it down and just have one of the tags in there, or you can fold it, you know, into a trio. And if you don't want it, you know, that extra bit of gusseting, obviously you can take that part off. Got some more different pockets, and then these are like flips, or you can use them as tucks as well. Okay, these we used as journal cards, either singular ones or double ones, or make a little notebook or put some pockets inside it, sew them into your signature if you wanted. You could just tear around, you know, to use the images, or fussy cut them out. So these actually fit onto the back of these, so you could, you know, stick the backs to the fronts, or you can use them, you know, as two separate things. I think they will look really nice with some you know, botanicals stuck to them. I think I would use them separately. Okay, that's those. Then with some other, I don't know, label bitty bobby bits, I think these would be nice added into clusters. Maybe use them in your collage. So that is the Dark Botanical kit. So thank you very much for watching. I have now made a playlist of all my kits. So, you know, because Etsy only show 10 pictures, and I think the Patreon shop only shows 5 pictures. So if you wanted to see any of the kits in more detail, you can go to my playlist. I will start putting the playlist in with the kit flip through videos, so they're easy access. So thank you very much. I'll be back tomorrow with a crafting video. We're in the middle of doing the botanical journals. We're doing it with a file folder, 3 different projects. So hopefully see you tomorrow. Bye for now.